How we doing?
Doing well. How's everybody doing?
Man, we're so glad to be in here.
Welcome to the Vegas Loop.
Just hammer down on this fucker.
Where would you like to travel to today?
Oh, anywhere you want to take us? No, we'll go back to Central.
All right, thank you.
Oh.
Double down.
Yeah, or take us to the double down. Let's see how fast you can get this up to. You been doing this a while?
Oh yeah.
You like it?
Oh yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah, this is like fun, man. Check this out, boys. You got your camera
Hold this
on
up
yet?
there, yeah. Hold it up there so I can see through. Oh wow, okay.
Going in the tunnel, man.
Oh wow.
Punch it. Yeah, man.
Ludicrous speed.
Can you get it up on the walls a little bit? Yeah, this dude's gonna fuck us up. He's doing too slow.
Yeah, we had
The governor on it won't let you go faster.
No, it's just that that's our speed limit.
Oh, gotcha. But if you push it, it'll go faster, right? Yeah, hell yeah, it would. Have you ever rode it a little bit up on the wall? Nah.
It'd be fun. Too.
It would be fun, man.
I don't think I knew about this.
I think this is super cool.
I heard about it, but I didn't know it was ready.
Oh, yeah. Are they eventually going to make them like autonomous?
We are experimenting with FSD, but for the foreseen time to be trained drivers behind the wheel.
Good, yeah. You need a job, man. Fuck that shit. We don't need robots doing our shit.
It'll still be a driver behind the wheel when it is autonomous too.
So cool, man.
Where's this let us out, Ben? Where are we gonna
Right in
drive
front
out?
of Central Hall.
Nice.
Like right in front of there. Like where it took us, I mean, what is that? Probably like a 20-minute walk.
I haven't walked them before, but yeah, that's what everyone says.
Yeah, probably 20-25-minute walk. And,
right.
and we did good.
Please make sure you have all your belongings before you exit.
All right. Did doors get clipped?
Oh no, we're well-trained drivers. Had to loop around here.
Oh, you got it.
All right. Thank you for riding the Vegas Loop.
Hey, thank you.
Hey,
Yeah, this was fun.
After you exit the vehicle, exit to the front, to the pedestrian walkway, and leave the doors open for the next passenger. Enjoy your day.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.